When you see a crack in your wall or a door that won't shut, you're not just looking at a nuisance. You're looking at the stability of your greatest investment. At Dalinghaus Construction, we don't just patch problems. We engineer solutions. Whether it's foundation repair, crawl space restoration, or concrete leveling, we use the best technology in the industry to ensure your home stays on solid ground for a lifetime. We believe in doing it right the first time. Our team treats every home like it's our own. We pride ourselves on transparency, education, and most importantly, peace of mind. Because at the end of the day, we're not just fixing foundations, we're protecting the people inside them. I'm Mark Cook with Dalinghaus Construction. Let's get your home back on track.